Jonah.
He did come.
Who brought those?
Jonah.
You brought them?
Mom. It's Jonah first. Okay.
How did we say we were going to remember if Ho-Ho was here?
Uh-oh.
You left him. What did we leave him last night?
Huh.
Cookie.
Cookie.
Let's check. Did he eat them?
Cookies and milk. Hey, they're gone. Milk gone. He left you a note. It says, "Dear Jonah, you are such a sweet and smart boy. Thanks for the milk and cookies. Yum. Enjoy your presents. I love you, Santa."
Oh, my bad.
Wow. All right.
Oh, and look at the tree. Does the tree have anything new or special on it?
Oh, I haven't seen these before, huh? He left candy canes for us. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
And what about your stocking?
Oh,
You better check it.
They're over here.
Where's your stocking?
There's more presents in there.
Did he fill them?
uh-huh.
Yes.
And what about Zodi? Did Zodi come back?
Oh, there. Oh, golly.
All right, you ready?